Systems of equations. Question 4. Tickets to a school play cost $5 per student and $8 per adult. How many of each kind of ticket were sold if 500 tickets were sold? And the play brought in a total of $3,700 in ticket sales. Okay, we can figure this out by using a system of equations, two equations to solve. Since we don't know the number of student tickets sold or the number of adult tickets sold. So let's say, let's use S for student and A for adult. Okay, so we know that a total of 500 tickets. So the number of student tickets plus the number of adult tickets is going to equal 500 total tickets, right? Okay, we know that the student tickets are $5, so I can put 5 times the number of student tickets plus adult tickets are 8. 8 times the number of adult tickets, and that's going to give us the total money. Since this is money and this is money, 5 times the number of student tickets plus $8 times the number of adult tickets brought in $3,700. Okay, so we've got our two equations right here. I'm going to rewrite these right here. I'm going to put S plus A and 5S plus 8A. And this equals 500. And this equals 3,700. All right. So we want to be able to solve for either S or A. So in order to do that, I want to get one of these up here as a negative. I think I'm going to do a negative 5s. And then I could cancel that out and solve for the other one. Okay, let's just do that. So in order to do that, I can go over here and change this equation. It'll still be equivalent. Multiply this entire equation by negative 5. Okay, negative 5 times S plus A equals negative 5 times 500. All right, let's do that. I have to multiply negative 5 times each of the terms within that parentheses. So I'm going to hop over and say negative 5 times S gives me negative 5S. Negative 5 times A gives me negative 5A equals negative 5 times 500. You have your trusty calculator. Negative 5 times 500, enter. Negative, because a negative times a positive gives us a negative, 2,500. Okie doke. Now let's write our second equation underneath this one. 5s plus 8a equals 3,700. Okay, now I am ready to solve for one of the variables. Solve for A, because negative 5s and 5s cancel one another out. So now I just have one variable to solve for. Negative 5 plus 8. Negative 5 plus 8. Positive 3. If we're adding unlike signs or putting unlike signs together, find the difference, keep the sign of the larger number. So we have 3a equal clear that. Here we have negative 2,500, negative 2,500 plus 3,700. And that gives us 1,200. Okay, now 3 is related to a by multiplying. To get rid of 3, I divide by 3. 3 over 3 is 1. 1 times a is a. Cancel that little buddy out. 1,200 divided by 3 will tell us the number of adult tickets that were sold. 1,200 divided by 3. And we have 400 adult tickets sold. Okay, so we know the number of adult tickets. We have a total of 500 tickets. So if there were 400 adult tickets sold, how many are left over that were student tickets? 100 student tickets. Everybody understand that? Work it again, work it by yourself, work it with me again, and let me know if you have any questions.